Hey everyone, welcome back. I've got another round of must-see Amazon Black Friday deals, and these might be the best yet. We're talking huge savings, $400 off foldable phones, $250 off SSDs, plus major discounts on everyday essentials from rollator walkers to gaming laptops and smart home gear. If you're ready to save big on this third wave of deals, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Starting with mobility and health essentials. The Hamlin Foldable Rollator Walker with Seat is $80.99, down from $119.99. Durability meets design. The reinforced frame with double support bars supports up to 350 pounds. Thickened tubing and robust wall construction guarantee durability and stability for every step. Perfect for seniors or anyone needing mobility assistance. The Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean Smart 9500 electric toothbrush is $199.96, down from $279.99. Advanced Sonic Toothbrush for improved oral health. Achieve up to 20 times more plaque removal, up to 15 times healthier gums, and remove up to 100% more stains than a manual toothbrush. Personalize your brushing with 5 brushing modes and 3 intensity levels to meet your oral healthcare goals. Real-time feedback with a light ring that flashes if you use too much pressure, protecting teeth and gums. The Samsung SSD 9100 PRO 8 TB is $749.99, down from $999.99. Save $250. Works like magic with Magician software, providing seamless firmware updates, extra encryption, and continual drive health monitoring. World's #1 flash memory brand since 2003. At $750 for 8 terabytes, this is incredible value for professional-grade storage. The Husqvarna 150 BT gas leaf blower is $299.99, down from $399.99. The ergonomic harness system features a padded harness, hip belt, and weight-leveling load management system for optimal comfort. Gas blowers simplify regular yard maintenance and more demanding lawn care tasks like cleaning up heavy, wet leaves and debris. This is a professional-grade backpack blower at a great price. Smart home deals. The Amazon Smart Thermostat is $51.99, down from $79.99. Smart Upgrade, an easy way to switch from a traditional thermostat and help reduce energy usage. Create comfort zones throughout your home using Echo devices or Smart Air Quality Monitor to automatically adjust heating and cooling based on temperature readings or presence detection. At $52, this is an incredibly affordable smart home upgrade. The Tyfer Sink Oven is $229.99, down from $399.99. World's first oven with a built-in wireless probe. Cook with precision using the first air fryer oven with a built-in wireless probe that tracks core temperature in real time and automatically stops at desired doneness. Smart Remove Temp Auto Shutoff prevents overcooking. The built-in signal booster keeps readings stable through light foil. No wires, no pairing, no guessing. This is cutting-edge kitchen technology at $170 off. The Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser is $149.99, down from $199.99. 3 temperature settings, hot, cold, and room temperature functions. Child Safety Lock features a 2-step dispenser on the hot water spout. Smart technology lets you know when the bottle needs replacing. Stylish design features stainless steel accents perfect for any home or office. Air purifier deals. The Winix 510 air purifier is $128, down from $179.99. A Ham, verified at 392 square feet. Also cleans rooms up to 1,881 square feet in 1 hour. Winix True. HEPA captures 99.99% of airborne allergens, including pollen, dust, smoke, and pet dander, as small as 0.01 microns. The Advanced Odor Control Carbon Filter reduces VOCs and household odors from cooking, pets, and smoke. The Shark Air Purifier for Home is $159.45, down from $249.99. See your air improve with CleanSense IQ. Watch the display as air quality adjusts in real time. No guessing, just fast, visible results. Save on costly replacements with never-change, long-lasting filtration. Save up to $150 on pricey replacement filters in the first 5 years alone. Powerful coverage in a compact size purifies up to 650 square feet in just 1 hour. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 cell phone is $1,719.99, down from $2,119.99, save $400. Bigger, yet slimmer than ever. The wider design is also lighter, refined to feel like a traditional smartphone with an expanded cover display. Time-tested toughness with a new advanced armor aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 display. Built to handle whatever your on-the-go lifestyle throws at it. This is the premium foldable phone at $400 off. The Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses are $262.99, down from $329. Number 1, selling AI glasses. Move effortlessly through life. Capture photos and videos, listen to music, make hands-free calls, or ask Meta AI questions on the go. Slim, comfortable fit for both men and women. These are the future of wearable tech at $66 off. Cleaning equipment deals. The Bissell Crosswave OmniForce Cordless Multi-Surface Cleaner is $169.47, down from $379.99. Save $210. Cordless Combo Vac and Mop effortlessly vacuum and mop wet or dry messes in one go. Up to 30 minutes of uninterrupted all-in-one cleaning. Every purchase saves pets through the Bissell Pet Foundation. The Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner Machine is $139, down from $219.99. Complete Clean Combo combines 5 counter-rotating spin scrub brushes and Heat Force faster drying to lift and remove the toughest stains. Versatile tools include a pet tool for stubborn pet messes, an upholstery tool that scrubs and lifts on fabrics, and a crevice tool for hard-to-reach places. Perfect for deep cleaning carpets and upholstery and tackling pet messes. Entertainment deals. The Sonos Sub 4 wireless subwoofer is $719, down from $899. Dual Sonos-engineered drivers generate deep, dynamic bass. The ported enclosure enhances bass response and low-frequency output. Transform your home theater experience when paired with Sonos Arc Ultra, Arc, or Beam. Premium bass for your home theater at $180 off. The Hisense 55-inch E6 Cinema Series QLED is $339.99, down from $429.99. QLED color with quantum dots displays over 1 billion shades of color. Renders every frame with rich, vibrant, and realistic color. Total HDR solution distinguishes between colors with ink black blacks and vibrant colors across HDR formats, including Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus Adaptive, HDR10, and HLG. 55-inch QLED TV with Dolby Vision and Atmos at $340. Incredible value. The Dell S2425HS monitor is $119.98, down from $149.99. Modern, lifestyle-inspired design with ultra-thin bezels. Integrated dual 5-watt speakers with wide dynamic range. 5 preset and 1 customizable audio profile. In-plane switching technology with 99% sRGB color coverage. Multiple input ports with improved cable management design. Seamlessly switch between streaming and casual gaming with built-in dual HDMI connectivity. The Asus ROG Strix G16 2025 gaming laptop is $1,879.99, down from $2,399.99. Save $520. Cutting-edge performance with Windows 11 Home, Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti laptop GPU, powered by NVIDIA Blackwell architecture featuring DLSS 4. This is a beast gaming laptop at $520 off. The Novilla Queen Size Mattress is $254.98, down from $299.99. Cool and highly breathable 4-layer all-foam system. Gel-infused memory foam keeps you cool, while egg crate-designed foam increases airflow. Mattress cover increases breathability by 30%. The Dr. Infrared Heater. Portable space heater is $108.99, down from $129.99. Heat up a large room with auto energy saving mode, tip-over protection, and overheat protection. Dual heating system with infrared quartz tube plus PTC for 60% more heat, rated around 5,200 BTU. The Callaway Golf 300 Pro Laser Rangefinder is $124.99, down from $299.99. Save $175. Precise slope measurement accounts for elevation changes and measures the angle of incline-decline, then calculates slope-adjusted distance. Perfect for serious golfers at $125. All right, everyone. Those are even more insane early Black Friday deals from Amazon. $520 off the Asus gaming laptop, $400 off the Z Fold 7, $250 off the 8TB Samsung SSD, $210 off the Bissell Crosswave, and tons more. These deals keep dropping, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next wave. Comment below, which deal surprised you the most? If this helped you score some savings, hit that like button and subscribe for more Black Friday coverage. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.